In our last video, we talked about setting up a personal Facebook profile. And once you do that, you can then create a business page profile within Facebook. So though the two should be kept separate, you must create the personal profile before you can create a business profile. Once you've decided to create a business profile, there are a couple ways you can do it. So if you take a look at your Facebook screen, on the left-hand side, you will either see a More option or Ads and Pages. If you see the More option, click on it and you will be able to then see Ads and Pages. Now, occasionally Facebook will not show this option on the left-hand side, and if that's the case, another way you can get to it is by doing a search on Farmers Insurance and go to the Farmers Insurance page, and then scroll down, and at the bottom you will see Create a Page for My Business. You can click on that. Any of these methods will get you to the same location, and what that will allow you to do is to create a profile. Now, if you're representing a brand in a local market, you select the brand, product, and organization, and pick the category that represents as closely as possible the products and or services that you're selling. The next area is to put in a page name. Now, if you're representing a brand, you'd want to make sure that the brand is part of the name, and then whatever the local representation is. It could be as an agent or a dealer, but again, the agent and dealer name should accompany the actual brand that you're representing in that market. Once you've done that, select the official notifications and all of the terms and conditions, and then you can create the official page. And Facebook is going through and just asking you to confirm who you are, that you're a representative of those, and then they'll get some information from you. So once you've got this done, next area is to load up a picture. Now, you can do it simply by clicking on Load an Image, but we're going to show you a way that you can change the image so that in the future, if you want to change a picture, you use the same method. So you click on the picture itself. In this case, there's no picture loaded, so you can change profile picture. It will bring up a dialog box where you can upload a photo or an image. It could be a logo, whatever the images that you want it to be. Your best bet is to deal with an image that's 250 by 250 pixels or 180 by 180. You can actually have something that's longer. If you do a 250, you can actually have something that goes quite a long distance down the page, the side of the page, but 250 pixels is the maximum width that you want to do. Then you click on the upload button once you've selected it, and you can see in this case we've chosen Farmers and we've got that selected. So then the next step here is to enter some information about the company. And again, there are several ways you can do it. We're going to do it the way that you could if you were going to change information, not just start from new. So if you click on Info, and then on that tab, as an administrator, the owner of this, you can edit that information. And as it brings that up, you can enter in this information. You're founded. Once you enter that, you would click Save Changes, or you can click on Detail Information and enter information relative to the company that you have. Now, we're not going to bore you watching us type in all of this, but we'll jump right to a completed screen here. And then you save your changes. So that's how you do it, and you tell it you're done editing, and then that becomes what the public can see about your page. And again, if you want to edit it, again, click on Edit Information, and then you can change a word, change it to My Products instead of Products. But this is just to show you that it's real easy to get in once you've set it up and edit whatever information you want to edit from in that area. So then you click on the logo, and this brings you back to your page. And in here, you click on My Page, my company name rather. And you see here a Get Started tab. Now, only you as the owner of this page will see that. Everybody else will see from the wall on over to the right. And in the wall area, you have your opportunity to post your first message. We recommend you post something for folks so that they can get the dialogue started. So once you've got your page up, a couple of things to keep in mind is that you want to stay fresh. You want to keep posting information that's relevant to you and your business. You want to engage folks, and you want to respond to folks. So when somebody posts something, you want to make sure you respond to them. Now, our next area, next video, is going to be adding tabs and applications to your page. This gives you additional content and functionality. And until then, thank you for watching.